there, welcome. This is your H Care. 6 Hair Loss Prevention Nutrition you need to know to stop it. If your body is missing important vitamins and other compounds, your hair may fall out fast. Making changes to your diet can help you to slow or even stop non-genetically caused hair loss. Plus, you will feel and look better. We're going to list out some food that really helps in stopping hair loss and regrow some naturally. 1. Iron. Foods rich in iron may help you if you are iron deficient. Word of warning for men and menopausal women. Don't rush out and add a lot of iron to your diet. Have your doctors check your iron levels first. Good sources of iron is spinach. Spinach is full of other great minerals and vitamins that help keep hair follicles healthy. Lean beef is another terrific way to add iron to your diet. 2. Zinc. Zinc appears to be a terrific nutrient to help prevent and treat hair loss. Studies seem to show that people experiencing hair loss also have lower zinc levels. If you like oysters, you are in luck. There is no food higher in zinc. If oysters aren't your thing, you can enjoy spinach, lean red meat, legumes like beans, and eggs. The nice thing about these foods is they show up several times. Kill 2 birds with 1 stone. 3. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is an important supplement. Your body makes its own vitamin D when you are exposed to sunshine. That's great, except many people do not spend time outside, and those who do tend to wear sunscreen or cover up. Other foods with high levels of vitamin D include tuna and salmon, beef liver, and egg yolks. 4. Selenium. Selenium is important on many levels, including hair loss and immunity. A selenium deficiency is rare in the US but can occur if you have hypothyroidism, HIV, are undergoing dialysis, or have a GI condition like Crohn's. Add 6 Brazil nuts a week to your diet. Go easy on adding selenium to your diet, since too much is as bad as too little. 5. Biotin. Biotin is one of the B vitamins. Otherwise known as B7, a deficiency can cause hair loss, nerve damage, and skin health. You'll find high amounts in food like eggs, sweet potatoes, and our old friend, spinach. Biotin affects how some medications work, so talk to your doctor before starting supplements. Eating food with biotin levels should not be an issue. 6. Omega fatty acids. Omega-3 and 6 are great for your heart and brain. There is evidence that fatty acids are great for stopping hair loss and may help regrow hair. Will all these foods help regrow hair or stop hair loss? There is evidence that they will, with spinach being a clear winning in almost every category. Even if you don't suddenly sprout Samson-like locks of hair, you will be healthier. Your hair will be stronger, and you will feel better. Eating these foods really doesn't have a drawback. So, whip up a spinach salad, toss on a cooked egg and maybe some walnuts and have a tasty meal. You pretty much can't go wrong. Focus on eating foods raw, when appropriate, because the cooking process will decrease the amount of beta-carotene in the food. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. Check my other health tips videos. Also like, share and comment. Thank you.